Here we are for Totality. The Tiels are going to see an eclipse April 8th, 2024, around 3:14. These guys will become officially Totality Tiels. We got my original OGs out. That's Canelli. That's Bonito. And that's Jordan, known as JJ sometimes, most of the time. And actually, she's known as Beans for whatever reason. Bonito's Bonito. They're pigging on the millet. They don't know what they're going to witness. Because up in the sky is going to be Totality. More Totality teal time. Here they are, pigging out. And over here we have some deer. It's quite an eventful time. Everyone's lining up to see the eclipse.
They sense it.
There's all the gear. There's the lake. It's a perfect day. And they have no clue what's about to happen. I would love them to experience this. There's Vanessa. Oh yeah. Birdie's gonna see that. Yeah, guys. Let's see what else is going on around here. There's some more gear. There's Anessa. Birdies, we are now 4 minutes from Totality. Look at that. It's getting dark. It's getting real dark. It's gonna happen soon. So close. Everyone's here.
Everyone's here. Yeah.
See it on the camera here. That's where it is if you have the glasses on. We made it to Totality. Look at that. Look at that, guys.
Wow.
Totality. Wow. It's amazing.
Can you take
Oh my
pictures?
gosh. You could try, but it's going to be pretty limited. Birdies, what is that? It's Totality. You guys made it. You made it to Totality. Totality. It's so dark. It's crazy. You can see Venus. And technically there's a comet up there. Oh my god.
A complete thing.
The birdies made it through Totality. How'd you guys like it? Was it cool? What happened? What happened, guys? What was that? Wow. That's very cool, though. Something you don't see every day, huh, Jordan? You're an old lady, 20-something, and you got to see an eclipse? You guys, you're not some spring chickens anymore, and you got to see it. They're about 12, I don't even know, 13 maybe? I lost track. And we still got a little bit to enjoy as it goes away. Yeah. Good birdies, you made it. You made it through Totality.